It's not spoonies, huh?
Three. Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Not spoonies, huh?
No, that's a big. That's like fucking Doritos.
Back! Back! Oh shit. That's big duck. Kevin! Down. Big green head. You ready? Oh!
Bro, hit him. Fuck! That's 3 going that fucking. That's big duck. Get him, Kevin, get him.
Oh no! How are we gonna kill ducks like that?
That's a fucking.
Good girl. Come on.
Dude, my shoulder don't hurt nearly as bad as it did last time.
Good girl. Good girl. I was looking at it. I was gonna take it. No lie. What?
About 4 of them over here.
Oh, here they come.
I like those, bro. That's right here. Get him, Brett. Get him right here.
Oh shit! You're killing me.
I only shot one.
We only knocked down 2?
Yeah.
That's blackie.
No, that's some fucking buffalo head.
What is that? Is that buffalo head? Oh lord.
Is that?
Wait. Oh, it's teal.
What the fuck are we waiting on?
I don't know what we're waiting on. There's too many ducks. Look, right here, right here. Watch
Here,
Bell.
Kevin, get
Watch
ready.
Bell.
Take this single. Oh
Wait,
my
wait,
God.
watch your dog, watch your dog.
Get him.
I dropped one on this side. How many y'all dropped?
Shot one right here. One fell and then shot this one.
Kevin. Kevin, that's you. Get him. Oh, good shot.
Good shot.
Back.